Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subject Science. Today we revise the previous lessons, the animal world and the plant world. Now, in these lessons, we attempt different questions. Few are discussed. Answer the questions. Name two ways scientists group animals. टू वेज साइंटिस्ट ने एनिमल्स की कैटेगरीज बना दी हैं. आपने बताने उसने साइंटिस्ट ने कैसे कैटेगराइज कर दिया कि हाउ एनिमल्स कैटेगराइज इन टू कैटेगरीज. फर्स्ट इज एक्सोस्केलेटन. एक्सोस्केलेटन आर दोज एनिमल्स दैट हैव अ स्केलेटन outside of their body, and second is endoskeleton. And endoskeleton are those skeleton of the animal whose skeleton inside their body. Okay, now discuss second question. What is an exoskeleton? Animals that have a skeleton on the outside of their body. Those animals who have skeleton outside of their body, these animals are called exoskeleton. Such as many different animals, just like insects, shellfish. And in the next question we discuss some animals. Name some animals that have an exoskeleton. And which question we discuss some animals that have an exoskeleton, and there is two example of exoskeleton animals, just like insects. Insect you can see everywhere, and the skeleton is outside of their body. And also shellfish is also a outside skeleton, and these are called exoskeleton animals. Now move to the next slide. Why do scientists put animals into the groups? Why scientists divided animals into a group? Scientists put animals into different groups. Different type of animals are divided into different groups. Why they do? Because this make it easier to study them. Okay, क्योंकि आपको ये स्टडी करने में इजी रहता है. सो दैट वाई उन्होंने साइंटिस्ट ने क्या कर दिया है, एनिमल्स को कैटेगराइज कर दिया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट आर एम्फीबियंस. एम्फीबियन बोथ लिव ऑन लैंड एंड वाटर. सम एनिमल्स लिव बोथ लैंड एंड ऑन वाटर. बोथ ऑफ टू हैबिटेट्स they survive. Some animals are and don't have scales on their skin, and amphibians have no scale on their skin. Okay, and next, reptiles. Amphibian and reptiles are the two groups in which animals are divided. Amphibians, those they live on land and water, and they don't have a scale on their skin. And reptile is basically, reptile skin is covered with scales and they lay eggs. Reptiles क्या करते हैं, eggs देते हैं. ठीक है. And second thing is reptile skin is covered with scales. Now move to the next slide, in which we discuss the fill in the missing words. Dash have a skeleton inside their body. Inside their body skeleton हो तो हम उसको क्या कहेंगे, exactly endoskeleton, because skeleton inside, so we can say inside, have a skeleton inside their body. Endoskeleton. Next, dash have a skeleton outside of their body. If animals have a skeleton outside of their body, then we say exoskeleton. Okay, next, These animals change the body temperature as the temperature around them change. Animals change body temperature as the surrounding temperature change, and those animals are called cold-blooded. Cold-blooded are those animals, they can change their body temperature as the air change temperature around. And next is the body temperature of animal does not change. The body temperature never ever change according to the surrounding temperature, and these animals are categorized in warm-blooded animals. These animals cannot change their body temperature according to their surroundings. Now we move to the next slide, in which we discuss the second unit, and that is the plant world. There are some questions according to these topics, and first question is, what are the four main stages of a plant life cycle? Plant complete life in a cycle. First seed, आप क्या करते हैं, सीड को बोते हैं. देन सीड विथ रूट्स एंड शूट्स, एंड सीड स्प्रेड होता है नीचे की तरफ भी और ऊपर की तरफ भी. जब वो ऊपर की तरफ जो होता है वो शूट्स, एंड नीचे की तरफ वो रूट्स की तरह वो होता है. वो ज़मीन को क्या करता है, ज़मीन को फाड़ के बाहर की तरफ निकलता है, उसकी शूट्स बनती है और नीचे वो जा रहा होता है तो उसकी रूट्स बन रही होती है. थर्ड सीड विद लीव्स, जो सीड होते हैं उसके साथ विद लीव्स. प्लांट्स विद फ्लावर और प्लांट्स फ्लावर. फर्स्ट पे प्लांट विद सीड, फिर प्लांट विद रूट्स एंड शूट्स, प्लांट विद लीव्स एंड प्लांट्स विद फ्लावर, और ऐसे ही अपना साइकिल कंप्लीट करता है. नेक्स्ट, what nutrients does seed need to grow? Every living things need to food to grow. So plant need minerals and vitamins to grow. What do plant need to live? There are four things that plant need to live. These are food, nutrients, water, and sunlight. Why does super scientists like the tree? Because the leaves shade him from the sun. The leaves shade, so that scientists like the trees. What does a fruit contain? Fruit contain flesh and seed. Fruit contain the flesh and seed. Now move to the next slide, in which we discuss the fill in the missing word of the plant world. A seed needs water and dash to help it grow. Seed needs nutrients. A seed starts to grow roots and shoots. जब seed start करता है grow करना तो क्या होता है, उसकी पहले roots and shoots grow करती हैं. After a plant breaks through the earth, it needs to help it grow. तो उसे किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है, जब वो ज़मीन को ब्रेक कर देता है और वो ज़मीन पे आ जाता है तो उसको किस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है ग्रो करने के लिए, तो उसे सनलाइट की. Seeds are scattered by dash or some other means. Wind. Seeds कैसे फैलते हैं, by winds के through. Plants without flower produce rather than seed. Plant produce करते हैं without flower spores. Some plants produce flower but some cannot produce flower, so they produce spores. Now today lecture is complete. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah khair.